Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam gift card not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Show Hidden Icons option. Click on it to reveal the hidden system tray icons. From there, locate the Steam icon, right-click on it, and select Exit Steam from the menu. This will completely close the application and all its background processes. Now, find your Steam shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and double-click it to relaunch the application. Wait for a few seconds while Steam loads up completely. Once it's ready, log into your account again and try to redeem your Steam gift card to see if the issue has been resolved. To redeem your gift card, click on your username in the upper right corner of the Steam window and select View My Wallet from the drop-down menu. On the right side of the page, you'll see an option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on it to proceed. In the designated field that appears, carefully type your Steam wallet code and make sure you enter it accurately, as any mistake could prevent redemption. Once you've entered the code, click Continue to process it. If the gift card still doesn't work, there's another solution you can try. In the upper left corner, click on Steam and select Settings from the menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. Once you're in the Download section, scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache with a Clear Cache button right beside it. Click that button and then click Confirm when prompted. This clears temporary files that might be causing issues with your Steam client. Additionally, if you're using a VPN, you'll need to disable it, as this can sometimes interfere with gift card redemption. Go back to the bottom right corner and click Show Hidden Icons again. Right-click on your VPN application and select Disconnect or Disable from the options. After disabling your VPN, restart Steam and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes before trying to redeem your gift card again. Sometimes Steam servers need a bit of time to process changes. If none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Steam support for direct assistance. In the upper left corner, click Help and then select Steam Support. Click on My Account from the options that appear, then click on Data related to your Steam account. Scroll down until you find Contact Steam Support and click it. In the text field provided, clearly identify the core system that is failing, describe the result of the action, and explain what you've already tried to fix the issue. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Send to submit your support request. And that's how you fix a Steam gift card that's not working. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.